All right, folks, what is up? Yeah, there's the Suburban. I got myself an envelope of cash, and we've got the truck, and that truck is hooked to another trailer. So stay tuned, find out where we're going and what we're picking up. Alright folks, here we are. We are at Maverick. We're getting some gas. We're gonna load up the tank and we're gonna head out and grab something for that trailer. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we're on our way. We're on our way.
I thought you were gonna laugh to yourself again.
I got some Funyuns. Funyuns are good. What'd you get, Jake?
Large Cheetos.
Nice. Girls?
I got pineapple Phantom and gummy lifesavers.
None of your
Nice.
business.
My wife got some
Got Fritos.
Lay's sour cream and onion. Yeah.
And Bricky got Fritos.
Fritos.
And a Dr. Pepper.
And a Dr. Pepper.
Okay.
Red Bull. Juneberry. Try it. All right, folks. Check this out. We've got this truck right here. This is what we're buying. Look how clean that is. But we're gonna load it up. We're gonna get this thing pulled up on the trailer. So stay tuned.
Is there no handle on this one?
Not on this one. No.
It'd be really funny if you got it on the trailer and then you couldn't get out.
Mm-hmm.
What? What?
All right.
Have them sit in the back.
Go on the other side of the truck until they get it up there, okay? In case there's a problem with the cable. Hurry, go on the other side. Good job.
Right.
So whose truck is it? His?
For what? Oh, who's buying it?
I know you bought it. He's truck like you got your
Mom,
daughter
now
or
can we
something.
get in the back?
He's interested. Whose truck's it gonna be is what I'm saying.
She's just mad that she's not
Mom,
here to
can we
see
get
it.
in the back now?
Jake's All right, folks, stay tuned. We'll give you a better walk around on that in the morning. All right, folks, check it out. We do have a flat tire on that side, but scope of the truck. Now, there's a few little flaws in here. There's a little small dent right there. We could easily get that out. Other than that, the body, I mean, looks like they threw just some kind of rust stuff on there to keep that from rusting more, but super clean as far as the body goes. Looks like they did a few little maybe repairs here. Bondo wise, that looks kind of cracked, but yeah, see that? Just some stuff on this end, but nothing too bad. Nothing horrible that we can't fix here in the future. Sand some of that stuff out. It's a little bit of cancerous rust right there, but look at this. Look at this bed here. Look how clean this. Look how clean this bed is. I mean, yeah, it's dirty, but those who know, you know. So, anyways, we got the 2-wheel drive action going on. It's got the 350 motor in here. See, so I mean, only really rust spots have been the back corners of these beds. And this door right here, I was noticing a little bit on this door. Looks like they might have bondoed a little bit onto this bed here, but it's okay. Stuff we can fix. It's definitely not bad at all. So I'm going to actually need to obviously pump up this tire. It's cracked. I'm gonna have to hit up old Steve again, get me some new tires for this. But it's a Sierra 1500. It's got the electronic spark control. I don't even know what year it is. Got the paperwork in the truck, but the grill, I mean, other than this, it's got a few little flaws, but few, nothing like the crew cab. But we do have the interior, which obviously a lot of these have those seat covers, but the dash, I need to find just a dash cover. But other than that, it's an automatic. It's really clean. Really, look at that roof up there. It's clean. So that is the new project. So we still need to put the Dana 60 underneath here. I still got my crew cab in the back. Stay tuned. We're gonna pull that out today, and we're gonna get a few pictures with all 3 of these together. But that's it. I mean, that's the truck. I went and picked that up last night. Excellent truck. I'm really stoked to have been able to purchase this. Look at that, so nice, good shape. Other ones don't even have one. So yeah, GMC Sierra 1500 2-wheel drive. We're gonna turn this bad boy into I'm gonna lower it. So yes, I'm gonna have the Suburban sitting on 40s, the crew cab possibly sitting on 42s, and this bad boy we're gonna lower and make it a little street truck. What do you think? I mean, it's 2-wheel drive. What else do you do with a 2-wheel drive pickup truck? According to the internet, I do not lift 2-wheel drive pickup trucks. I lift 4x4s. You lower the two-wheel drives. So, anyways, stay tuned. I gotta get back to the Jeep. I gotta change the compressor. So, smile. Have a good day.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays.